I really love this weather today. Like everywhere was just calm. God is good. Oh yeah. Sometimes we just see that everywhere is just hot and it's okay. You just look down and we send down the rain. Seriously, like the weather was chill today. Less is more. Less is more. You feel me? Less is more. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel today. This is one of the things that I encounter on this my account. This is my trading account. The Forexfunder account. There was actually something that they are doing that, you know. Yes, the fault wasn't really me. Although some part of it is my fault, but it was not really all. You understand? So what is this thing? There was a CPI news that I took a trade on CPI news, and I was like 50 pips in profit. So I logged in on the BE on break even. You understand? So, but when the news came out, the news was negative, and when it dropped, they couldn't stop me at my break even. Instead, the trade continued to go against me. You understand? That resulted of me losing the account. Okay, so but another thing that I actually learned from it, right, is that less is more. Yes, less is actually more. You don't have to trade every day. Like this is a system that I have adapted right now, and I can tell you that I'm not really sure, but I have seen something on it. You understand? This is something like I've seen some shift. You understand? So sometimes you might be profitable, but is that the less you trade, the more you win. You understand? So as of this week, I took a trade on Monday, I lost it. So I didn't take any other trade. Just one day, I didn't take any other trade. Tuesday, I didn't take any trade. Wednesday, I didn't take any trade. And today, I took a trade and I covered everything that I lost on that trade today. All right. So I'm going to go to my chart. I'm going to be showing you the trade that I took. It was on Euro USD this morning, and there was a CPI news. So we were able to cover that trade to hit take profit before the news came out. Right. I was actually out of the market before the news came out, and when the news came out, just as I anticipated, the news actually dropped. You understand? So let us go inside my chart. After that, the less that you trade is the more profit that you make in the market. You might be profitable, but if you are not disciplined enough to wait for that perfect setup to come, you will actually lose the trade when you enter. So let's go. Let me show you guys. This is my chart, guys. So let us go ahead and take everything out so that I can actually show you guys how I was able to analyze and take that trade on Euro USD. As you can see, my chart is clean right now. My chart is very okay. So as you can see, this is my daily time frame, right? You can clearly see that market was making a lower lows and lower highs and coming down. So market get to this point, form something like inverse head and shoulder and started shooting up. So let us spot our let me put on my tools. This is the favorite tool I like analyzing the market from. So this is the last turning point of the market, right? And remember, this is the daily time frame, right? So and here is equally the last resistance, right? This is the last resistance right here. Great. Okay, let us get down to my H4 time frame. Very well. You can see what happened here, guys. Market was actually making lower highs and lower lows and was coming down to this demand zone on this daily support zone, right? So you already know that if your market is in a downtrend, you are likely to see something of this nature, right? You're likely to see lower lows and lower highs, something like this coming down. That's an indication of downtrend market, right? So that's what happened here. So as you can clearly see, when market gets to this point, it started doing what? It didn't form it didn't break this support that is here. It didn't break this daily support that is here. It didn't break it, and at the same time it did not form a lower low. You understand? So I expect this market to break here, but it did not. Instead, it came here, tested it, formed something like double bottom at this point, and I started taking off from here. So let me zoom out so that my chart can actually be clear, right? So it formed something like double bottom here and started making a higher high from this point, and continue going up from here. So here is what I did. The first trade that I took was here. I only analyzed the chart. It was on my previous video. If you have not watched it, you can actually go and watch it. So for more free education, right? So market get to this point, started making a higher high, was going up from here. Was making a higher high and going up, right? So, and you can clearly see that there is a resistance here at this point. Yeah, I've gotten it. Why is this resistance so strong? As you can see, it has tested it in the past, and bounce off. Whenever I tested it, it bounces off, right? So there's a resistance, and to correct this daily resistance, this daily resistance, this line that is here. Sorry about that. This is the daily resistance, right? To correct it, just place it right here, right? So back to our analysis. As you can clearly see that when market get to this point, market tend to start making a higher high from this point and was going up from here, right? So let us spot our trend line. Great. As you can see, market was just making a higher high. So this is what happened. Let me put my session break so that I can actually put more confirmation of the reason why I took that trade. As you can see, as market was making a higher high, so it get to this point, market close at this point. I was expecting it to come down a bit to touch this trend line before I can actually buy, or at the same time, if you break it and retest it, then I might still target to this point before buying it, right? But market get to this point, could not retrace to touch it back. Instead, when market open, market started buying, right? Market started buying. So when market break this resistance, and and it didn't actually retest, but when market broke it, I said, okay, since this market broke it, I said I'm going to take my entry from here. So let me take this off. So I'm going to take my entry from this on top of this resistance, because from the past, whenever market touches it, it reverse or it buy from it, right? So I took my entry from here. I took my entry from this point. When I saw this bullish candlestick, when it formed, so I took my entry at this point at 1.08329, right? That was the place that I took my entry. So let us put our long position right there. So it was at this point that I took this trade, and I target this next resistance that is here, right? I was actually risking less on this trade. I was risking about 20 pips. Because the entry was at this point. That's okay. If this market has to come back to this place, then maybe we might consider it not a good trade, right? And at the same time, there is a CPI news, right? So it's okay. I'm gonna be taking this trade from here. I equally share it on my Telegram channel. If you want to join the Telegram community, I always drop free signals. Not every time, but I still do it because of my documenting my trade setups, and so you can actually, if you want to join, you can click the link that is below this description and join. So this was how we were able to catch this trade this morning. So let us get on the 4-hour time frame. You can actually see what happened here. So immediately we took the trade at this point. Market didn't take so many time, and it just started going up and went up and smashed the take profit. You understand? About two risk to reward ratio. And what happened is that when the news came out, just like I said, the market started reversing back, and you can actually see what happened. It came back to test this trend line again, and is actually buying from here. You understand? So I'm not gonna be trading it again this week, but if I have to be trading this market must break this resistance, come back to test it, turn it to support, then I still target this zone, this area again. You understand? So guys, this is how we were able to capitalize on the market this in the morning today. So guys, if you like this kind of content, do well to subscribe, like the video, and comment your thoughts on the comment section, so that I'll actually know that this video actually makes sense to you. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.